How to make vitamin C soap. Get vitamin C capsule, crush it very well. Then you put in a container. Then get a base soap. It can be glycerin base soap or goat base soap. Cut them into pieces. Then put in a double boiling method and melt the soap. After melting the soap, put the soap in a bowl, add vitamin C powder and aloe vera. Put in a mold and allow it to dry, and this is what you get. Now for neem soap, get neem leaves, wash it very well and crush them. After crushing or blending into paste, then the next thing is to get a base soap, cut them into cubes, melt it. Use a double boiling method to melt it. After melting it, add 1 tablespoon of the neem leaf into the base soap. Add aloe vera gel. Add vitamin E oil. Turn it and mix it very well. Then pour it in a mold and freeze it for 2 hours. Your soap is ready. Very simple. Very, very simple and easy. How to make turmeric soap for hyperpigmentation, pimples and etc. Now get a base soap. This one is goat base soap. Cut them into pieces, pour in a bowl and double boil it so that it will dissolve. Once it's dissolved, get turmeric powder, pour into it and turn it very well. After turning it, add jojoba oil, turn it again, pour in a soap mold, allow it to stay for like 2 hours. Then your soap is ready. Please subscribe, like and share.